Hello students, welcome to this class. In today's lesson I will talk to you about gerunds. Gerunds is one of the verbals. Alright, I have here a definition for gerunds. Gerunds are verbs. I'm sorry about this. Verb forms that end in ing and are used as nouns. And please notice that not all the verbs that have an ing ending are gerunds. Some of them can be verb phrases, or some of them can be adjectives that describe the subject. Alright, so we are going to focus on ing ending verbs that work as nouns. Alright? We have 4 sentences here written on the board. The first one says, we are skating. We are skating. We have an ing ending here. However, this word is not a gerund. This word is the object of this verb here. So it creates a verb phrase together. We are skating. So this is not a gerund. This does not have a gerund. Many people think that all the verbs that end in ing, no matter in what they're applied, are gerunds, but that is not correct. When you find an ing ending verb that works only as a noun, then you have a gerund. The next one says, we love skating in Central Park. Love skating. We have another verb phrase here. So this is acting as the object of this verb. So this is not working as a gerund either. The next one says, he studies marketing. He studies marketing. Marketing is a noun. So it is an ing ending verb that works as a noun. Therefore, this is a gerund. And the last one says, they saw Jim running. They saw Jim running. This is not working as a noun. It is working as a progressive tense verb and as an adjective that is describing Jim. So this is incorrect also. Next, I will give you more examples, and please remember that not all ing ending verbs are gerunds. Only the ones that are working as nouns. Now we are going to practice. You are going to help me figure out which of these sentences have a gerund. Remember what a gerund is. Ing ending verb acting as a noun. Alright, the first one says, we love Joe's writing. We love Joe's writing. We love his writing. Is that working as a noun or not? Is it working as the object of the verb? Yes, so it is working as a noun. We love Joe's writing. If we said we love the way he is writing, then it would no longer be a noun. Alright, so this is in fact a gerund. The next one says, you can hear Jill singing. You can hear Jill singing. So we have this here, can hear, verb phrase, Jill. We have our subject here, singing. Now we must decide if singing is a gerund or not. We can hear Jill singing. No, it is not. It is an adjective that is describing what Jill is doing. So therefore, it is not a gerund. If you said, for example, we can hear Jill's singing, then you would change the complete context of the sentence and you would change this verb here into gerund into a noun. All right? But this is not the case, so this is wrong. The next one says, he might have been dancing. We have our subject, we have a linking verb, and we have an ing ending verb. What do you think? Is it a noun or not? Is it a gerund or not? Dancing. He might have been dancing. No. Why? Because this here complements the verb, the linking verb. So it is a verb phrase, might have been dancing. So this is not a gerund. If you said, I love his dancing, then it would be a noun, and therefore it would be a gerund. Well, the next one says, I wrote a book on ESL teaching. We have our subject, wrote. We have our verb, a book. We have the object, on ESL teaching. We have our noun. So that is a gerund. Teaching is playing the role of a gerund here. It is playing the role of a noun along with ESL. ESL, teaching. All right, so this one is correct. Next, I will leave you some homework. Why? Because you need to practice in order to improve your English. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using gerunds. Remember to write down this definition here so that you don't mistake them for, I don't know, verb phrases or what else? Adjectives. All right, remember that not all the verbs that end in ing are gerunds. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was of help. And well, leave your homework in the comment section below this video. See you in the next video.